Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I've reached financial independence and I talk about topics to help others on their path to financial independence. Hopefully, some of this is useful to you. I want to talk about a particular segment of the market, something that I invest a lot in, and that is oil pipelines. And there's a couple of ETFs that make it easy to invest in oil pipelines and kind of spread your risk around a little bit. And one of those tickers is MLPA. The other one is AMLP. They own master limited partnership pipelines within them. There's one that kind of owns even more. I think it was, what is it, MLPX? Don't get that confused with MPLX, which is a master limited partnership, but it owns a few more of them. And so the nice thing about these oil pipeline ETFs is that they pay pretty high dividends. I think MLPA is about 7.3% right now, and AMLP is a bit higher. I think it's over like 7.8% or something. They have different expense ratios, and overall, I kind of like the pipelines. And so now, I just wanted to let you know that the value or the prices of these oil pipelines has kind of started to come down a little bit. For the past 2 or 3 months, I couldn't recommend these to anybody because, at certain times of the year, these things just kind of go up higher than what I think their value is worth. And so as the price of oil went up, then the prices of these oil pipelines also appreciated, but they've started to come down recently. And I noticed that the MLPA ETF bounced off its 200-day moving average. And I typically kind of try to acquire shares when it's either at or below the 200-day moving average. And so that's kind of a region where I like to pick up shares. And I often just buy the underlying pipelines that these things hold, because I don't mind doing the taxes for the master limited partnerships. Um, but whenever I feel like they have some value, then I'll pick up some more shares. And I do like the dividends that these things throw off because it's like 7.5%. So if you're looking for a different type of investment, I know that like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq kind of seem to be at all-time highs. They've kind of come off a little bit, and a lot of folks think that maybe we're in for a little bit of a correction over the next while. If the markets do go down, then the oil pipelines will fall, of course, but maybe a little bit less than some of the the larger indexes. But kind of check this out. Like I said, the MLPA bounced off the 200-day moving average, and I tend to, for my own personal investing, pick up a little bit more when it's at the 200-day or below it. And I do invest in both MLPA and AMLP in my retirement accounts, whereas I just buy the pipelines on my normal brokerage account. So anyhow, just kind of a heads up, we may be coming into a time where these oil pipelines will become fair valued again, whereas a couple months ago they had just reached new all-time highs, so many of them, and I'm like, don't buy them. If they hit all-time highs, that's not the time to pick up more of these, because they're fairly cyclical in nature, and I've just watched them over the past many years, and anytime they go up, then they come back down again. They slowly tend to trend up over time. At least they have since 2020. I know from 2013 to 2020 they went down over time, so just be aware. But oil pipelines are very important, critical infrastructure for America. We have to have them. They throw off fairly interesting yields. It's high yield in comparison to something like the S&P 500. But just thought I'd give you a heads up. Take a look, do your own due diligence. Take a look at these. But there's a couple of ETFs that you might be interested in. And, over the next while, probably before this next election, hopefully the price of oil will continue to kind of stay at least fair. It might go down some more. And, the pipelines are less volatile than the oil drillers. But they might be a good value over the next while. So I just thought I'd let you know in this channel, check out those two ETFs, MLPA or AMLP, or even MLPX, if you want to kind of tinker with this particular segment of the market. So Hopefully that's interesting to you. Like, subscribe. We'll see you. Bye.